Hi all, welcome back. In this video we will see how Cypress supports different browsers and how we can execute Cypress test cases in different browsers. Okay, once you open Cypress, so you will see the Cypress test runner. In this Cypress test runner, whatever the browsers that are installed in your computer will be listed automatically along with Electron browser. So right now in my computer, Chrome and Edge are installed already, and along with that I got Electron browser. So in my previous video we have seen how we can execute these tests in Chrome. So now I'm going to execute the test cases in Edge browser. So for that, what we need to do is just we need to select the browser and then start end-to-end testing in Edge. Okay, so what it will do is it will open our test cases in Edge browser, and we can as usual we can select spec files, and then we can run it will automatically run the tests on that browser. Okay, so in the similar way, so I can select the Electron and I can run it here. Okay, so this is the Electron browser, and if I run lifecycle hooks, so it will start executing on Electron browser. If you see, this is an Electron browser. Okay, both test cases are executed successfully. If you see here, in my machine, Firefox is not present, so I'm going to download Firefox, and we'll see how automatically it will be uh, appear in the test runner. So I'm going to download Firefox. So for that I'm navigating here, Mozilla, download Firefox. Okay, almost there, it's running and it's executed. It's downloaded for Windows, and then once I go here in the downloads folder, I can see Firefox installer. And yeah, it started installing. I can close these browsers now. See, now the Firefox browser got installed here. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm closing this Cypress test runner, or we can what you can do is you can press Ctrl C. It will be terminated. Okay, and let's clear the screen and then run the Cypress again. Cypress test runner got started here, and then we have configured for end-to-end test, and then see, it's the browser that we have installed now got appeared in the Cypress test runner. So I can select this Firefox, and then I can run the Cypress tests here. Okay, so it is showing the same page, and then I can visit the web pages here. If I click on that one, so the test will be executed on Firefox browser. Okay, so in this way you can run the Cypress tests in different browsers using Cypress test runner. So we will see in another video how we can run the tests in headless mode using a different browsers also. Okay, thank you.